Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hope still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Quick little disclaimer, honey. I'm sorry if you hear my fan. I'm sorry if you see my hair blowing like I'm Beyonce, but girl, it's hot in here, okay? It's hot in here, no Nelly. All right? Okay, y'all. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Premiumlacewig. Shout out to you, Premiumlacewig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their Brazilian virgin hair. I have it in 30 inches. Yeah, girl, you heard me right. You heard me right. It's 30 inches. It's a straight texture. The color is 27. It's a 13x6, honey. 13x6 lace wig. It's 150% density and it's a medium cap. And so I want to go right on back to the fact that it's a 13x6. Like, there is a lot of parting space. Like, literally, you don't hit weft until you get right here. I just decided to do a curve part because I like them with straight hair. I don't know why. I like them with all hair. Okay. So I just decided to do it, but you don't have to with this unit. You have so, like, even all over here. Look, you see this? This is all lace. This is all lace. Like, yes, honey. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on their site and see if they have any more details and specs. So on their site, it says strawberry blonde, color 27, straight lace front wig, 24 inch, 150% density. And then it has like different ways you can get it. It comes in transparent lace. I have transparent Swiss lace. It says free parting, freestyle parting anywhere on your head. So like I showed you guys, like literally. And then it says single knots at hairline and double knots elsewhere. So the knots is like on the hairline, you can barely see. Okay, so with this unit, as far as shedding and tangling, I did not receive any other things. As far as it being big head friendly, it is extremely big head friendly. I struggled over here. Like, you see it's like wrinkle, like I struggled. So it is extremely big head friendly. Let me click back on here and see. Okay, so on their site, you do have the option to get a different cap size. I think they sent me a medium cap size, and I guess I need a small because, honey, it was wrinkly. So in my opinion, this is extremely big head friendly, but I only have the head that's on my shoulder. So girl, do with that what you want to do with that. Do with that what you want to do with that, because I am an average cap size. I don't know if I talked about it being straight hair. There's no tangling, no shedding straight out the packaging. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. And honestly, y'all, the only con that I can think of straight out the gate is that I wish I had it in a small. That's the only con I can think of. Moving on. Alright, as far as the pros, y'all know I love this hair color. This is like one of my favorite hair colors of all time. Like, this color and a number 4. Chef's kiss. They are like my favorite color. So I love this color. I love the texture. It was easy to style. The wig laid down effortlessly, which can be an issue, especially with straight hair. You know, you have that little hump and all that. This wig laid like effortlessly. I love the lace. I feel like the lace melted in, even though I got those humpity humps, but it's just because it's too big. But yeah, those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend the wig, child. You heard my pros. You heard my pros. Yes, I would recommend this unit. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is it. That is all. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Sound off in the comments. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Premium Lace Wig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, girl. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HeltoMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous.